Hello trader, GBPJPY and XAUUSD, both of these instruments currently showing significant trading opportunity on the lower time frame as both of them currently trending. So let's quickly first look at GBPJPY from bigger picture perspective to see, and then we'll jump onto the XAUUSD as well. So looking at GBPJPY, this is the monthly price action, and from the monthly perspective, we can see that this market, as expected from this monthly resistance, creating series of lower high back to back 4 months. So we can see the market managed to break below with a stronger momentum. And as we can see, the price failed to create a higher high and created series of lower high. What we could see currently, the market may try to break this monthly low, previous monthly low, which is nearing to that support level, and that could give a further opportunity to drop from the monthly, and we may see potentially almost 200 pip drop possible on GJ from the monthly perspective. Let's look at the weekly chart to see how the price is evolving. Now from the weekly perspective, we can see the market form lower high here, weekly time frame, and we can see there is a weekly bearish candle followed by another weekly bearish price action here, and we can see there was a weekly bounce which in fact failed to create a higher high. Instead, we saw that the market has created a lower high, and from that zone the price starts to drop as the market has a strong rejection from the top, creating a lower high instead of higher high. We may see now a lower low formation here, and therefore a probability to break this low is higher from the weekly perspective as well. Now, dropping down to the daily chart to see how the market is evolving, and we can see that from the daily, we can see there is a triple top formation, and with the triple top, the market managed to break below, followed by a pullback with a daily bearish engulfer, which is we see that currently in a downtrend, as this is an important level of support here on GJ. We could see the price is coming back below to create a new lower low. Now, looking at the intraday perspective from 4 hour time frame, we can see that the market in a very strong downtrend here. This is a drop here, pullback, another drop, deeper pullback, and we can see that with the drop, the market, probably you guys have seen our previous trade during the live session. We have seen that there was a head and shoulder formation, and the market managed to break below again from that head and shoulder, where the price currently started to drop here, and this is a very important level of support, expecting GBPJPY to drop again to this support level to create a new lower low. So if we look at the 1 hour chart to see potential entry opportunity, we can see already there is a bearish engulfer formation which might give further downward pressure here, and we'll be waiting for a potential liquidity grab on the lower time frame. As soon as we will find suitable price action confirmation, here we can look for potential selling opportunity on GBP JPY. Now let's look at XAU USD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Again, looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in this market. Now from the monthly, we can see that this is a very strong uptrending market structure. Starting from here, there is a strong bounce followed by this pullback, another bounce, and the market in fact creating series of higher high and higher low. So this is the monthly price action, which in fact currently breaking this current monthly high, and we can see the price also previous monthly high approaching. And as you can see, if we look at the bigger picture here, we can see the market is maintaining series of lower high. Therefore we could see a series of lower high to be exceeded with a stronger momentum that can give a further probability for the market to bounce back up. If we look at the weekly perspective, we can see that there is a reversal pattern here, and we have seen that there was a breakup structure here from the weekly, and that breakup structure has given a stronger momentum. As a result, we can see that XAUUSD forming series of higher low here, and we can see the market is trending in that direction to create a new higher high. So we can see that this is a neckline of this previous resistance, which is turning support here, and from here we can see the market managed to bounce here. With that bounce, the price currently approaching to the upside. And as this is a high liquidity zone, we have seen in the past the market had a very strong rejection from this level to this level here, so which is a very high liquidity zone. As the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, we can see that after penetrating this neckline of this previous resistance, which is turning support here, we can expect now a potential push towards the upside to this liquidity zone. So from the weekly, also aligning for potential upside bias. Now looking at the daily chart, we can see that a daily uptrending market structure here. We can see an impulse correction, another impulse deeper correction, and the market is currently forming series of higher high and higher lows in a strong uptrending market structure. Now this is the daily price action. Here we can see the market, this is an important level of support on XAUUSD from the daily perspective, expecting for the price to retest and then to continue to rise again for another potential bounce. So looking at the 4 hour perspective, here we can see there was an inverted head and shoulder formation here with a stronger momentum, with a strong bullish engulfer that probably guys have seen our yesterday's analysis as well. And the price almost have done exactly as expected. We can see the market tested the neckline of this previous resistance here as a support, and we have seen a very sharp long narrow doji formation, which is in fact a stronger bullish price action. The bulls has bought from this level strongly, therefore we could see potential trend continuation to the upside that might lead the price back to this long-term resistance line. So looking at 30 minutes perspective on XAUUSD, we can see the market currently coming back again for another pullback, and I think that the price may continue to drop here for another liquidity grab, and then we can expect for another bounce. So as soon as we will find suitable entry after price action confirmation from this level on XAUUSD, we will be looking for going long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this free education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for more updated content like that. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.